books, Prabhupada's books. So I take you to one small country somewhere in Europe, somewhere in 70s. So he's a very dedicated follower of Prabhupada, very compassionate.
Sir, please take this book. Sir, it's a Bhagavad Gita. Sir, it's a textbook for life. Sir, this has answer to all the questions in your life. So please take this. So please. Not interested? Sir, please take this. Sir, it will make you a better person. If you are a student, you'll become a better student. If you are a lawyer, you'll become a better lawyer. If you are a scientist, you'll become a better scientist. Sir, please take this book. Not interested? Sir, please. Not interested? Full day I've been trying all over. Not a single person is interested. Not a single person. How will I distribute the mercy of Srila Prabhupada? How can I sustain this enthusiasm? Oh Srila Prabhupada, please guide me, please protect me, and please inspire me to distribute these books in the form of your mercy. Oh Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, oh Bhagavan, you are the super soul in everyone's heart. Please help me to convince any person that I meet to accept your transcendental knowledge. Please help me to find a sincere soul. Oh Lord, please help me. I think I need to change my strategy now. I've been trying this place for quite some time. Hey, wait. There is a supermarket over there. I can see there's a parking lot. And the vehicle is parked, a white color vehicle. And someone is inside the vehicle. Let me check. Probably he would be interested. Sir, please excuse me, sir. Sir, please take this book. Come what may, not a single book has gone today. I will ensure that this person gets the book today. Sir, please. Sir, please take this book. This will change your life, sir. Sir, please take this book. Sir, please take this book. Sir, this book can change your life.
You don't understand things. What I told you. You don't disturb me, understood? Get out of here. Once you come here now, I'm going to break your legs. Get out.
Hey, wait a minute. This person looks really frustrated. I think he needs Prabhupada's mercy the most. I can't leave this chance. I'll put this book on the windshield of his car. Sir.
So this is what happened in the parking lot, and after 2 days this dedicated book distributor was again on the street distributing books, but he had a shocking experience.
Sir, please take this book. Sir, transcendental knowledge. Sir, it's the word of Lord Krishna. Sir, please take this book. It will change your life, sir, please. Sir, please take this book.
Oh, hello, sir. Sir. Sir, I'm so pleased to meet you, sir. I've been looking for you, sir. So how are you? How are you, sir?
How are you? Who are you?
Sir,
Have I met you before?
you did not recognize me?
No.
We met just 2 days back. Sir, at the parking lot near my car. You remember?
Ah, that parking lot near the supermarket.
Sir, I'm so pleased to meet you, sir.
That white car. You were the person who abused me like anything.
No.
In fact, you were about to bash me that day. And later on, what I did was I put that book on the windshield of your car.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And you didn't even give me a donation.
Sir, I didn't give you a donation. But you gave my life back to me, sir. You've given my life back to me.
I gave your life back to you? What are you saying? How is that possible?
So that day when you came to my car, sir, I was so disturbed. I was so distressed. I was so morose, sir. I was so morose. You know what I had done? I had taken a tube from the exhaust and I started the engine. I was going to inhale those fumes. I was going to end my life, sir. I was going to commit suicide. But I just happened to see that book. I just happened to open that book, sir. The moment I started reading the book, those words acted like the most soothing balm to my heart, to my mind. The book says, this world is temporary. This world is miserable. Everyone is miserable, the book said. I thought I was the only one. The book says, you are not the body. You are not the body. You are the soul. And the soul can experience happiness by cleaning the heart and serving God or Krishna. Sir, you have given me a priceless gift. Absolute priceless gift, sir. Sir, I am so grateful to you. I am so grateful to you. I want to learn more about this.
Jai Srila Prabhupada, your mercy has really worked on him. Please come with me. I'll take you to a place where you can not only practice, but you can go deeper into this philosophy. Please come with me.
Thank you.
So this is the power of Prabhupada's books. It is said that it's like a time bomb. Wherever it is, it can explode and it can bring revolution in people's life. So this is a great opportunity for all of us. Those who are still wondering, it is a chance. Please actively participate in book distribution this month. Prabhupada said, if you want to please me, then distribute my books. Hari Bol. So please give a big hand to Sundarinath Prabhu and Dr. Pankaj Yadav. Hare